Hello friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Ved channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor and Head, Veterinary Medicine. Here we study important aspect of bacterial disease, navel ill, and in part 3 we will study two parts, omphalocartritis, clinical signs and treatment, and uracheitis, clinical signs, diagnosis and treatment. Omphalocartritis, it is inflammation and infection of umbilical arteries. It is generally not occurring, very less common condition occurring. The path of these umbilical arteries is from navel to internal iliac artery. So abscess can occur along the path of umbilical arteries caudally from navel to internal iliac arteries. Abscess occur anywhere on this course of the umbilical arteries. Clinical signs of omphalocartritis. The clinical signs are same as that of omphalophlebitis, which we have already discussed in previous video. Infection and inflammation leads to chronic toxemia. There is unthriftiness and weakness in the calves. Diagnosis can be done by deep palpation from navel to the internal iliac artery on the course of umbilical arteries. Anywhere infection, inflammation, abscess can be found. It can be further strengthened by confirmation by ultrasonographic examination. Treatment of omphalocartritis. Antibiotic therapy is advised for a long time, but the treatment is unrewarding. So surgical removal of abscess is the perfect treatment. So surgical removal of the abscess can be approached. We discuss here uracheitis. It is inflammation of urachus. The infection occurs along the course of urachus at any place from navel to the bladder. So anywhere the inflammation or abscess can be observed from navel to the bladder. Clinical signs of uracheitis. Enlargement of umbilicus and all inflammatory signs are observed. Swelling, heat, pain, edema. There is discharge of purulent exudate through fissular tract outside. There is extension of infection even sometime to the bladder, leads to cystitis condition and shows the presence of pus or pus cells in the urine called pyuria. Diagnosis of uracheitis. Deep palpation of the abdomen along the course of the urachus. The course of urachus is from navel to the bladder. Palpation in the dorsopudal direction from navel region to bladder. And during this tract, the presence of space occupying mass, that is abscess, found anywhere along the course of the urachus. The urachitis or deep abscess can be further confirmed by contrast radiography and observe the fistulous tract and the bladder and diagnosis of abscess mass along the tract from navel to the bladder. Treatment successful treatment is exploratory laparotomy, that is total surgical excision of the abscess. Friends, we have discussed here omphalocarditis and urachitis, its definition, sign, diagnosis and treatment. For more videos on veterinary medicine, animal disease, please visit our youtube.com/Dr. Vet channel. Please share this information to veterinary friends and veterinary students. Press like button to promote channel, subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.